Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this LeetCode problem. Uh, so it's nothing but a reverse integer. Okay, so there are many techniques actually. So generally you take one number, you convert that to string, and after that you put string dot reverse or string of taking the list braces dot semicolon colon minus one. So in that way there are many other techniques are there, but I want to in this I want to give you the genuine approach actually. So it's an integer, right? You have to deal with how to deal with the numbers to get that reverse integer. So that's what I'm going to explain you in this video. So let's take one variable. So that is the outcome they're expecting is nothing but a int. So that is nothing but a number reverse num equal initially we it's a number, right? So that's why we have to initialize with 0. After that, what we have to do, we have to give while condition, while whatever the number they given. So in this case it is x not equal to 0. So why we are doing this step? So uh, we know for loop is for number of iterations. Like if you know number of iterations you have to iterate, then you go for loop. While loop is if you don't know how many iterations you need, but you know one condition. Until this particular condition, I have to iterate my loop. So ultimately, the logic is very simple in mathematics. After with the help of this last digit, with the help of last digit, you can multiply that with the 10, and you can add with remaining element. Then in that way, like you can multiply the remaining. Let's take this example. I'll explain with an example. Okay, let's take 1 to 3. So the answer is like 3 to 1. So what's happening here? So initially they want to get this last digit. That's the first step. And after getting this digit, they're dividing this 123 to 12. After that they're passing the 12 here. So then it's like 2. Last digit is 2. So that 2 has to be add with the 3 which you already have. That has to be multiplied with the 10. So that it will become 30. And after the whatever digit you have, that have to add with that. Then it will become 32. Then again what happens? Then the next element is 1. So 1 is not equal to 0. Then again you send it here. So then one has to be the remainder, and whatever this 32 is there, that has to be multiplied with 10, and it has to add with the remaining element. So 320 plus 1, 321. So that's how we got the logic. We'll solve this example, then you will get to know. Okay, so while loop I have to take. Then what is the step I have to do? So I have to get the last digit. How to find the last digit? Whatever number you have, that you have to modulus division, I think. So let's do modulus division, then you'll get the remainder. So the remainder is nothing but the last digit. So let's take 123 modular division 10. So there's nothing but 3 you'll get. 10 12s are 120. So the what is the remainder? So remainder is 3. Sorry, quotient. So this function is modulus, it will give you quotient, right? So quotient is nothing but, oh, I think quotient is the one which is 12. So remainder is the one. Yeah, exactly. Remainder it will give. So remainder is 3. Then last digit you have. So what you have to do? So you want to do reverse underscore num less c equal to what you have to do. So whatever number you have, last digit you have to add. So whatever reverse underscore, let's take control v, reverse underscore num into 10, because that's what we have to do. After that, whatever last digit you have, that you have to add here. And after that, what you have to do? So you have to uh, after you have to remove that last digit, right? From that, how you can do that? So whatever value you have, x, that's a number, right? That has to be double divided by 10. Let's see this example. Then if you do this 123, right? 123 divided by 10, what is the value you'll get? 12, right? Then 12 will pass here, then again it will rate. In that way this step will happen. At the end, what you have to return? You have to return reverse number. That's it. That's it, guys. Like, I hope you got the logic. Okay, so ultimately we need to find last digit. You have to get the reverse number, like that has to be multiplied with 10. This is like, consider it is like a formula. So in mathematics we have to deal with formulas, right? So consider it is a formula. So okay, so in this case what happens, it exceeded the time limit. Well, what I have to do, while x obviously not equal to 0, then x more distribution, then reverse number will get number equal to plus last digit. So the loop has to be iterated. I have to do this step only. So reverse underscore num, why this one happens. So why this one is failed. 120, obviously 120 divided, the 0 will there, last it also 0, then 120, 12 will be there, so 12 become here, and after that, so 12, so it will be like this. It has to execute successfully. Then why we failed here? Why we failed here? Let me pause this. How to pause this?